I just need your yes, that's all, nothing else.
Yes.
I wanted to finish putting this oneness forcibly into you today itself, because by today dreams you should start healing. See, the root pattern is usually healed only in dream and deep sleep. It is almost like a surgery. It's healed in the dreams and deep sleeps. That is when the root pattern gets healed. And I tell you, once I put that oneness back, many of your questions will look irrelevant. You will have the real questions. Like how many felt morning the questions you had have become irrelevant by evening? How many of you felt that? That is true. The questions will get matured. When your taste gets matured, that is called renunciation. Renunciation is not giving up. Taste getting matured is renunciation. Questions getting matured is intelligence. Intelligence does not mean you will never have any questions. No. Questions will get matured. Questions getting matured is intelligence. Taste getting matured is renunciation. Being getting matured is enlightenment. Not that when you become enlightened, you will not be there. You will be there in a very matured way of existence. A very matured existence. So when you become intelligent, don't think all questions will disappear. You will have a matured questions. When you renounce, don't think all your pleasures will disappear. You will have a matured taste. Understand? It's like a beautifully Sadashiva says, when the food is brought, the person who eats the food is man. The person who grabs it without even bothering about who brought is a demon. The person who eats the love with which it was brought is a deva. The person who absorbs only the love of the food but does not touch the physical dimension is Sadashiva. Only the love, devotion with which you carried the food, he absorbs and makes the food as prasada. He does not touch the physical part of the food. He just celebrates the love, feeling connection with which you carried it. And he enjoys that. And he blesses it and returns it to you. Now you go and enjoy. This is prasada for you. So understand, the taste of Sadashiva is the highest matured taste. Matured taste is renunciation. Sadashiva is a Tyagaraja, means the master of renunciation. He does not need anything. All the things which he uses, if you see, all rejected. Old bull is the vehicle, no flight. Vishnu, see, Garuda flight. And see Vishnu, Miss Universe Lakshmi is the Patni. Everything, if you see, and Shamantaka, all the best diamonds, jewels for Vishnu. He, Rudraksha, which nobody touches. The place of living, milky ocean and a smooth cushion, Adisesha Naga bed for Vishnu. See Sadashiva, Smashana. Companions, Bhutas, Shivaganas. With Vishnu, Ramba, Menaka, Urvasi. All the time partying is happening. Here also party happens, different kind. Here more the joy and the bliss is the source of the party, not the beauty or the symmetry. Understand? So, Shiva Bhutas are the, Shiva Ganas are the friends. Smashana is the place living where nobody wants to go. And Rudraksha is the jewelry. Snakes are the jewelry which nobody wants to touch. Tyagaraja does not care about what is brought, but cares about who brought, how it is brought. Enjoys the context more than the content. Enjoys the context more than the content is Tyagaraja. Maturity of the taste is renunciation. Maturity of the taste is renunciation. It is not what is brought, but who is bringing. Not what is brought, but who is bringing. That's a joy. That's a taste. So actually, if you see, more and more of Advaitic practice, the cosmic currency practice, cosmic currency building, more and more your taste will get matured. You will become more and more blissful. See, more and more your taste becomes subtle and subtle. You will be out of confusions, chaos. More and more you will start being in ecstasy. The time, see, when your taste becomes subtle, the time you spend in ecstasy will expand from 10 minutes a day to 1 hour a day. More you become subtle, 1 hour a day, it will become like 6-7 hours a day. The ecstasy built in your system will start filling your whole day the more and more you get subtle. More and more joy, more and more feeling excited, more and more no tiredness and no boredom, more and more life will become active. Activism for no reason is one of the result of matured taste. And I wanted to ask you guys, today itself I wanted to put that oneness experience in you. So tonight in the dream state, waking state itself, the healing starts. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This oneness does a lot of healing during the dream and deep sleep. See, much of your fears and patterns stored in the dream and deep sleep state gets melted away with this experience of oneness. There is a clear Upanishadic instruction, the Upanishad called Kathopanishad, which works on the science of death, which gives the revelations on science of death. It very clearly declares how you can be pushed back into the oneness. The sutra beautifully says, Angushtamatra Purushaha, in the below the heart, above the navel. This is the area. The thumb size, the consciousness resides. I am going to awaken that consciousness, which is the pure reflection of the cosmos. So, your cognition gets penetrated constantly by that oneness. That oneness becomes the inspiration for you to function, which you missed when you built the root pattern. All of you understand? I'll also be gifting you a piece called Atmalinga, which represents this oneness. The Atmalinga is made out of Spatika, which is literally a piece of God for your own personal use. It's of Sadashiva. In all its qualities, residing in one spatika. The spatika means it's a very high frequency matter. The matter which can hold the highest frequency is spatika. This is actually a carbonated ice. That is the technical term, mineral name for it, carbonated ice. The ice in the Himalayas or the hilly regions, which does not melt for quite a long time, few hundred years, gets mixed with the carbon. So it gets the strength of the carbon and purity of the ice. It's a high frequency, it's called 24 karat spatika, which has no scratches inside and no marks inside, pure spatika. The shape is the shape of the consciousness, Sadashiva, as described in the Kathopanishad, as per the Vedic description. And by shape it represents Sadashiva, and the diagram on it is the cosmic DNA, Adi Shakti, Mother, and the energy is instilled in it. Prana Pratishtha is done by me. So Sadashiva, Adi Shakti, Guru, all three energies together. There is no rule to keep this and maintain this. You can do it, you can keep it as you want. People ask me, can I eat non-veg? Can I drink alcohol? Can I live my own life with this? You are free to do anything. I am not saying drink alcohol, eat non-veg. I am not saying that. Keeping this does not require, there is no prerequisite for Atma Linga for any of these do's and don'ts. Only if you take Vishesha Diksha, understand, these two are separate. Atma Linga is separate, which does not require any rule or regulation. Even if you are eating whole day non-veg, you can heal somebody with this Atma Linga. It's a pure energy which is beyond all the rules, regulation. It is Sadashiva living with you. He does not ask for any rules. Ultimately, Sadashiva is Bholenath, means easily pleased. Like a Asudoshananda. He is easily pleased, does not have rules or regulation. That is exactly the meaning of the word Asudoshananda. That name is from Shiva Sahasranama. Easily pleased. Bole Baba. Easily pleased. Does not have any rules or regulation. Is beyond rules, regulation, anything. I only request you keep it respectfully. Don't put it on your feet. Don't walk on him. Don't take him to the restroom. Only those things. If it is hanging in your body permanently, then you can go to the restroom, no problem. If you decided to hang him in your body permanently, then you can go wherever he can be there and all that. But if you are keeping it separately in the puja room, then let him be in puja room. The way you decide to respect him, revere him. That's all. It is up to you how you respect and revere. Atma Linga does not need any rule, does not have any prerequisite, does not have any regulation. It is a pure gift to you, representing that you have been initiated into oneness. When you are given that oneness, the Vedic tradition requests you are also given this Atma Linga. And for one Atma, only one Atma Linga can be given. You can't have second one. If you lose this or miss this, you can't be given second one. Only once it can be given. Agama is very clear. Only once it can be given. So please do not come back to me saying that I lost it. Sometimes people come and cry, I lost it. I say, I cannot give. If you want, you take it from my feet. I leave one there. I can't give as per the Agama. You can take it, you take it. But actually, you can't have second one. So be respectful and responsible towards it. It is actually a gift given to you, like a souvenir, that oneness is given back to you. The oneness is infused in your cognition, and the oneness is becoming now the space from which you start operating. With that initiation, this is given to you as a gift. We will also be going through the process as per the Kathopanishad in further days. The next few days we will be going through. Today I wanted to start the first step. First step is, I am going to be initiating all of you into completion and give you this Atmalinga. This is for all. Everyone can have. It does not have any rule, regulation, nothing. But if some of you wanted to take initiation into worshipping this deity every day, that is called Vishesha Diksha, second level of Shiva Diksha, then you should become vegetarian or no alcohol, and every day you have to do puja. That rules come there. I will not even say as rules. It's you are given right to worship. You are given right to worship. It is like you are given right. You call me every day, morning 7 to 7:10, I'll attend to your phone call. Is it a duty or right? Tell me. If I say, I give you one cell phone number and tell you every morning 7 to 7:10 you can call me, I'll pick up. Is it a duty or right? If you say it is right, then right to worship is given. It's not duty. It is not responsibility. It's not work. You are now authorized to call, and with the commitment your call will be attended, picked up. It takes 7 minutes puja every day. With the right, please understand, with the commitment. And I am responsible. Even if one day your call is not picked up, you can send me the inbox message. I am responsible when I am initiating you. Understand, I have been authorized to initiate all of you. And I have the right to give you the right, and I commit with you. When you do that worship and connect with Him, your call is picked and you are attended. It is not responsibility you need to do every day. It is a right given to you for every day. It's a privilege. It's a privilege. Actually, if you are few days habituated, then you will understand that is the best part of your day. That morning 7 minutes when you sit and connect with Him and relate and offer the flower and surrender, that's the best part of your life, I tell you. Just this 7 minutes, keep your Kundalini up in the peak energy level. Peak energy level. Only when you decide to take the Vishesha Diksha, means the right to worship, then not even many rules, it's only 2 actually, it boils down to just 2. 1, every day you have to do the puja. If you miss one day due to sickness or reason, next day you have to do it twice. That's all. And the second one, vegetarian lifestyle. You can't kill any life for your snack, because the whole Jagat, life, is the manifestation of Sadashiva. We can't afford to kill for our snack. Only these 2. Actually, this non-violence is not even a rule. It's an understanding. You don't kill me, I won't kill you, let both of us exist together. It's an understanding, a universal understanding. So I will not even call that as a rule. One, right to call Sadashiva every day with the assurance you will be attended and answered. Second, a right understanding, universal understanding of don't kill, don't get killed. I won't kill you, you don't kill me. That's all. I will not even call that as a big rule. So the first Atma Linga, please listen carefully, I will repeat once more. Receiving Atma Linga and receiving the initiation in your Ananda Gandha, the oneness back, is for all. That does not need any rule, regulation, nothing.